Grammar quiz. M is A. Are you ready? You have total 20 questions and answers will be shown after 10 seconds. Number 1. The weather blank very nice today. M is A. So the correct answer is B. The weather is very nice today. Number 2. I blank not tired. M is O R. So the correct answer is A. I am not tired. Number 3. This case blank not very heavy. M is A. So the correct answer is B. This case is not very heavy. Number 4. The cat blank asleep. M is O R. So you have to select the best answer. The correct answer is B. The cat is asleep. Number 5. I blank called. Can you close the door please? M is O R. So the correct answer is A. I am cold. Can you close the door please? Number 6. This castle blank 1000 years old. M is O R. So the correct answer is B. This castle is 1000 years old. Number 7. My sister and I blank good players. M is O R. So the correct answer is C. My sister and I are good players. Number 8. And blank at home but her children blank at school. So you have to select the correct answer. Correct answer is B. And is at home but her children are at school. I blank a student. M is O R. The correct answer is A. M student. Number 10. My sister blank an architect. M is O R. So the correct answer is B. My sister is an architect. Number 11. My shoes blank very dirty. M is O R. So the correct answer is C. My shoes are very dirty. Number 12. My bed blank very comfortable. M is O R. So the correct answer is B. My bed is very comfortable. Number 13. I blank not very happy today. M is O R. So you have to select the correct answer. And the correct answer here is A. I'm not very happy today. Number 14. The shops blank not open today. M is O R. So the correct answer is C. The shops are not open today. Number 15. Mr. Katy's daughter blank 6 years old. M is O R. So the correct answer is B. Mr. Katy's daughter is 6 years old. Number 16. The examination blank not difficult. So the correct answer is B. The examination is not difficult. Number 17. Those flowers blank very beautiful. M is O R. You have to select the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Those flowers are very beautiful. Number 18. Paris blank the capital of France. M is O R. So the correct answer is B. Paris is the capital of France. Number 19. I am not interested in football. Am is so are. Here the correct answer is A. I'm not interested in football. Number 20 and the last one is cats blank not big animals. You have to select the correct answer. M is so are. Here the correct answer is C. Cats are not big animals.